Dear teacher, you will see two scenes. One scene will relate to violence and another scene will relate to non-violence. You have to see yourself which one is of violence and which one is of not violence. Let us see.
Ma'am, I completed my classwork, ma'am.
Sarthak, show me. Is this complete? So many mistakes? Yesterday I told you, na? Don't do any mistake. Correct it, try to write down again and again, but even then you have not done it. Why do you come to school? What will you get out of this? If you are not interested, it's better not to come to school. Why are you wasting my time also and your time also? Correct it and go. Do it.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Every time sorry. How many times sorry? Teachers, you have observed this scene. Can you tell me, is there violence in this scene or not? What was the behavior of the teacher? The teacher was rude or teacher was behaving very appropriately? Tell us. Hello Sarthak,
Yes, ma'am.
how are you?
I am fine, ma'am. Ma'am.
Are you happy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I completed my classwork.
You have completed your classwork?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Please show me. Oh, this is your classwork.
Yes.
Oh, very good, Sarthak. Your handwriting is very good. You have written very neatly and clearly. Yes, very good. But Sarthak, look, this is not correct. This spelling is not correct. Okay, the spelling should be like this. Okay, so in future you just see it, but otherwise very good. Okay, so what about the today's work? Have you completed it? You complete it. Okay, you can sit there and you can complete. And if you feel any problem, I am here to help you. Okay, happy?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you for help.
Thank you. Go and do it. Now, teachers, you have observed the second scene. In the second scene, the behavior of the teacher, do you think was appropriate or it was full of harassment? You tell us. You must have observed both the role of teacher as well as of the child. Let us reflect on it, whether violence was there or there was no violence. Now, let me ask Sarthak a few questions. Sarthak,
Yes.
come in. Sarthak, tell me, when madam was scolding you,
Yes.
how were you feeling?
Ma'am, I feel sad because ma'am was angry.
Okay, and when madam said, I'll help you, that time?
Now I feel better because ma'am will help you and I can do better.
You can do better. Very good. Okay, Sarthak, let me ask one more question. If somebody touches you inappropriately,
Yes.
so what will you say? You know what is good touch and bad touch?
Yes, ma'am. I know what you are talking, good touch and bad touch.
Okay. Suppose, Sarthak, please come here. If I touch like this,
Yes.
is it good or bad?
Good.
It is good touch.
Yes.
And if I say something rudely, then it is bad.
Bad.
Okay. Thank you, Sarthak. You are very intelligent. Good. Now you can go. We all know at this tender age, the children feel very harassed, very sad when we speak to them in a harsh voice. But if we speak to them in a very positive, happy mood, they feel confident, their self-esteem is also enhanced. So, as a teacher, we have to be very polite, we have to use very soft language and we have to be happy while talking to them. That will really help them to build their self concept and they will try to learn better.